Welcome back to Eating Out. My name is Gaurav. Naam to suna hoga. Now, like you know, this is the Cooking with the Stars segment. This definitely has to be one of my most favorite segments on the show. And tonight, the star that we're going to cook with is truly a star in the real sense of the word. Now, see, not only is she extremely good-looking, a homemaker, extremely talented entrepreneur, but more importantly for me, she's one of those people who paved the way for local television programming in this region. If you haven't guessed as yet, she is one of my very, very dear friends, Uma Ghosh Deshpande.
Okay, well, I won Gladrax Mrs. India in 2005, and after that, my television journey began. Before that, I was a designer. In 2005, after winning the crown, I came back to Dubai, and though I had many offers in Bombay, I wanted to stay here because I wanted to concentrate on my fashion label as well as my family. Television happened accidentally to start with. I mean, I was doing a show during DSF with one of the channels, and then I came up with an idea to do something with fashion, because fashion that time wasn't too happening in Dubai. And I went with this idea of doing a television show on fashion to Sony Entertainment Television, and they said, why don't you add lifestyle to it? And I was like, yeah, why not? Lifestyle sounds great, and it's something that I love, and Dubai is glitzy, glamorous, and there's so much you can do in Dubai. So I came back, made a pilot and sent it to the channel. They loved it, and well, we started with 13 episodes, and now after 5 years we've done more than 168 episodes. 3 tips for girls who want to be like me is, first of all, it's not easy to be like me. Just kidding. 3 tips if you want to start your career in TV. First of all, believe in yourself, very important. Secondly, focus on what you want, focus on your goal. And then be ready to work hard. It's very important. Nothing, absolutely nothing comes easy. You'll have to work hard for what you want in life.
So now we're going to see Uma do something that she's never done before, at least on camera. Uma is going to cook now. So Uma, how does it feel standing next to me?
Next to you, it feels great.
Oh. Yahi sunne ke liye hamare kaan taras chuke the. Uma, tell me, what are we making today?
We are making my favorite dish today. Is biryani.
And this is very signature Uma, okay, biryani.
Absolutely.
What biryani? Is it mutton biryani?
It's mutton biryani. Biryani is best with mutton, I think. So let's start.
Let's start.
We start with oil.
Okay.
अभी जब आप बिरयानी बना रहे हो तो you can't think about diet and all. काफी सारा oil डालिए.
Yeah, काफी सारा oil डालिए, और ये एपिसोड देखते टाइम एक बात और याद रखिए कि उमा के साथ खड़े कोई भी मोटा लग सकता है, तो डोंट स्टार्ट टेलिंग योर पार्टनर कि गौरव थोड़ा मोटा लग रहा है ना. डोंट. ये उमा के सामने कोई भी खड़ा होता है ना तो मोटा ही लगता है.
खाइए पीजिए और खुश रहिए.
खाइए पीजिए खुश रहिए. आप डाइट उमा करिए. हाँ?
डाइट नहीं करती हूँ मैं काफ़ी खाना खाती हूँ, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं. मैं चीनी डाल रही हूँ.
You're actually putting sugar
oil
in this,
because it's a secret, you know. I'm putting this sugar to caramelize the onions. मेरी कोई cooking में formal training नहीं है, so it's just my passion, so I'm cooking the way I love to cook. Okay, after we've caramelized the sugar, we put these onions. काफ़ी सारे onions.
So these are onion rings.
Onion rings, yes. And then you fry them till they become brown. That takes about, say, 10 minutes.
Okay.
Once this is done, then we put this onion, which is finely chopped.
Onions.
Yes. Okay, now it's become nice and red, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we'll add one of the most important ingredients, ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons. Once you've added ginger garlic, just stir it for like 5 minutes. After that, you can add the tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay, Gaurav, I think it's ready and we can add some tomatoes.
It looks nice and red.
Well, I'm cooking biryani. You want to see it?
Yes.
Do you wanna...
Yeah, Uma, you want to introduce him?
Well, yes. So he's Dhruv. He's 9 years old and he's my son.
And this is the biggest surprise package of this episode. It's happening for the first time ever that Uma's son Dhruv is on camera. He's a very shy boy, and what I've heard is he's also very interested and keen on cooking.
Absolutely, Gaurav. To start with, yes, he's very shy, very media shy particularly. He never wants to come on any of the media interviews and anything, but he was very keen on coming on eating out tonight. So great.
Dhruv, you want to be a chef when you grow up? All right, great. That's the kind of boys I like. Okay, Dhruv, you want to add some?
Come on, we'll add some tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here's a future chef in the making.
Dhruv always helps me whenever I'm cooking.
Yeah?
So, yeah. He loves cooking.
You love eating as well?
We all love cooking at home, actually.
All right,
Yeah?
that's very interesting. So how long do we need to leave this now?
This will have to leave for another 5 minutes, and then we'll put our secret biryani masala. घर में
बिरयानी
बनाई
की
हुई
खुशबू आ रही है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या है.
अभी ये मसाला कैसे बनाते हैं उसके लिए एक पूरा एपिसोड लगेगा, इसलिए मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ.
Believe me, it smells really nice.
I know.
क्या आवाज आती है मटन की.
मटन हमने मैरिनेट करके रखा हुआ था काफ़ी देर.
Okay. And what is this basic marination? Huh?
Basic marination with curd and that secret biryani masala. Okay, अभी ये फ्राई होते वक्त आप ढक दीजिए इसको थोड़ी देर.
Okay.
फिर ये पकती रहेगी और बीच-बीच में खोल के हिलाते रहिए.
All right. जब तक ये हो रहा है, Uma, tell me, you're one of the few people. Actually, you're the first person to start localized television in the UAE, and you're among the very few people who've been doing it for 5 years now. Tell us, what is your plan in season 5 for High Life Dubai?
Season 5, we've added lots of new segments, as you can see already. Of course, lots to do with fashion, glamour, lifestyle. But we have some interesting segments like S on Wheels, that's all about cars.
Yeah.
We have a segment called Fashion Flirt, which is all about fashion makeovers. And a very interesting segment which has become very popular now is Lifestyle Guru.
Right.
You know, people basically send in their queries and we try and solve those queries. We have a panel of people who come on the show and talk about fashion, anything. I mean, you can just ask me about anything, and we have a solution for it on High Life.
Fantastic. And now that you've seen another side of Uma, you know that not only fashion, lifestyle, but ask her about cooking, and maybe she can give you better tips than I can.
It looks nice.
It looks nice.
We'll take 5 more minutes.
Smells great, so we'll put it in. अच्छा, किसी भी कुकिंग सेगमेंट को करने का ये सबसे टॉर्चरिंग पार्ट होता है जबकि खाना ऑलमोस्ट पक चुका होता है. It's smelling really nice. You want to eat it, but then जो बना रहा है बोलता है कि excuse me, इसमें एक चीज बाकी है. उमा, अब क्या बाकी है?
अभी तो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट बाकी है, राइस ही नहीं डाला हुआ है.
राइस बाकी है.
तो मटन काफी पक चुकी है अभी.
Alright.
हम लोग राइस डालेंगे और हमें लेयर्स बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. शॉर्टकट करेंगे यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, we'll put the rice ऐसे, हाँ?
ओके, अभी हम राइस डाल दिए हमने सारी. उसके बाद विल पुट सम गार्निशिंग. पहले तो कलर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ओके, कलर
थोड़ा सा हम डालेंगे कलर. इट लुक्स एक्सोटिक.
या एब्सोल्युटली.
एंड सम saffron in milk. इससे बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर. आई लव दैट saffron flavor.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
Absolutely. saffron milk. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे कोरिएंडर लीव्स. कोई भी इंडियन खाना धनिया के बिना बिल्कुल ही कंप्लीट नहीं होता. हर चीज़ में हम धनिया डालते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो इसमें दिल खोल के उमा ने
बिल्कुल, या because it should come in every bite. एंड उसके बाद हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा पुदीना.
इससे खुशबू भी आती है. अनदर गुड पॉइंट अबाउट पुदीना है, अगर आप पुदीना खाएं और मीट खाएं तो आपका पेट अगले दिन बिल्कुल खराब नहीं होगा. इट रिड्यूसेस द चांसेस कि आपका पेट खराब हो. नहीं, रियली ऑनेस्टली. हां, ऑनेस्टली.
ये पुदीना डालने के बाद एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज और वो है देसी घी.
ये उमा के 6 पैक का राज. रोज 1 लीटर.
बट ये तो मानना पड़ेगा कि आप किसी चीज में भी देसी घी डालिए तो क्या
स्वाद डबल ट्रिपल हो जाता है.
सीरियसली. अभी बिरयानी बनाए रहे तो अच्छे से.
हाँ, ये जरूरी है. बिरयानी जब भी बनाए उसमें घी जरूर डालिए. असली टेस्ट उसी का है. अब क्या करना है?
उसके बाद हम दम देंगे. दैट्स मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ बिरयानी. उसके बाद आधा घंटा रख देंगे. तो हम गोना पुट दिस लिड. ये बंद करेंगे और उसके बाद हम दम देंगे और आधा घंटा रखेंगे. और इसके लिए मैंने आटा गूंद के रखा था पहले से, क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे लगा देंगे ताकि बिल्कुल भी
एयर टाइट
हो जाए. दम हो जाए. दम डिगा.
I'm really surprised the way Uma manages her work, her career, her success, and plus the family. Believe me, I'm amazed every single moment. secret to our marriage all these years is good cooking and good food. I love it.
Okay, I think अब काफी देर वेट कर लिया है उमा, आप तो खोल के दिखाओ कि क्या है इसके अंदर.
बिल्कुल, अभी बिरयानी बन चुकी है and let's just see.
Yeah! This is like Slumdog Millionaire की खुशबू आ गई है इसमें. Oscar winning performance आ चुका है. Okay, जब खाना बन जाता है उसके बाद ज्यादा बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, इसलिए आपको सिर्फ दो चीजें बोलूंगा. एक, go and join our group on Facebook, it's called Eating Out. और दूसरी चीज जो मैं अभी करने वाला हूँ वो ये है, if you like it, just bite it.